Hi everyone, I'm Joy, the founder of Optimize Academy and an independent digital engineering consultant. If you're curious about mathematical optimization for engineering design, but are put off by the seemingly scary maths, you're in the right place. Traditional school education buries the beauty of maths in numbers and formulas that you have to remember by heart. But once you see the connections, even the more advanced and abstract mathematics can be understood easily like elementary maths. This is the approach of our course. We aim to build up your intuition around optimization mathematics through visualizations and interactions so that you can instinctively understand your problem and be able to get a feel for it. And in this Maths for Design Optimization series, we're going to cover all the mathematical topics you need in design optimization. This includes the basics like numerical solvers, derivatives computation, gradient-based and gradient-free optimization algorithms. All these topics are critical in building your intuition for design optimization and form an indispensable foundation for you to succeed in any challenging design projects. So if you'd like a taster to the course, follow along with this playlist and enjoy the first course for free. You can also find the links to the rest of the series in the description below. So I hope this gives you a motivation, and let's get started.